Building a gaming PC can be overwhelming, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break down the essential components. Processor * aim for an Intel Core i5/i7 or AMD Ryzen May 7th for smooth performance. Graphics card *, this is the heart of your gaming rig. Go for an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1660 Ti or AMD Radeon RX 5600 XT for a solid experience. Memory * 16GB is the sweet spot, but 8GB will do if you're on a budget. Storage * combine an SSD for fast loading with an HDD for mass storage. A 500GB SSD plus 1TB HDD combo is a popular choice. Motherboard * make sure it's compatible with your CPU and other components. Look for features like USB ports, expansion slots, and overclocking support. Power supply * get a reliable PSU with enough wattage to handle your components and future upgrades. Case * choose one that fits your style and has good airflow for cooling. Remember, these are just guidelines. Do your research and choose components that fit your needs and budget. Happy building!